In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated SMS and email drip campaigns to nurture your leads without ever having to engage manually. To get started, go to automations in your sub account, then click create workflow. From here, you can either pick a template or start from scratch, which I'll show you how to do both. For our email drip campaign, we're going to use a workflow that already exists. If we scroll down and select email drip sequence, click select, and then your new workflow will load up. Here we have a pre-built email drip sequence, which will send emails to our leads automatically without us ever having to intervene. To customize this workflow, we'll first add a new trigger by clicking Add New Trigger. Then we'll use our trigger as the Form Submitted trigger, which is going to be using the form that we already created within our sub account that our leads are filling out. Select this form by clicking Add Filters Form Is, and then selecting your form that you've created. Then click Save. Now our email drip sequence will launch whenever a lead submits that form. The next step to customize this workflow is to change all of the email actions in order to fit our messaging. Do this by clicking each email action, reading through the subject line and the message itself in order to craft your emails in this screen. Feel free to include valuable information, PDFs, lead magnets, and so much more. And then when you're done with your emails, click Save Action. Do this for each one of the email actions within this workflow in order to customize this workflow completely. This workflow functions by segmenting our customer list in order to send different emails to people who have opened our emails and to people who have not. You can see this through the automated branching right here. Be sure to customize your emails accordingly, and when you're done, click Publish and then click Save. Now we'll create another workflow by clicking Back to Workflows and then clicking Create Workflow from scratch. This time we're going to create a similar workflow but for SMS. To make a simplified version of the workflow we just saw using SMS, we'll click Add Action, User Action as Send SMS. Type our message in this space and then click Save Action. Now whenever somebody submits this form, it'll send them an SMS. To turn this into a drip sequence, we'll add the drip action before our SMS. Using this action will allow us to send our SMS messages in batches so we don't go over our SMS sending limit. We'll set our batch as 100 and run it once a day. This way we'll send 100 SMS messages every day. Then click Save Action. Feel free to spice this workflow up using branching by clicking the plus icon and searching If Else. Our If Else action allows us to build our own branching so we can send different SMS messages to different groups based on our customers' behavior. Just like the email drip campaign, If Else actions function with two parts, branches and segments. Branches are the paths a contact will go down if they meet specific requirements, and segments are those sets of requirements. When you're finished with your workflow, click Publish and then click Save. Congrats! By setting up these workflows, you can now increase your conversion rates by following up consistently with your leads without any manual intervention. Now, if you want to go deeper and actually see how these workflows fit into a complete AI-powered marketing system, I'd love to invite you to join us at our AI Marketplace workshop. Inside the workshop, we break down real-world AI workflows, automations, and systems you can apply immediately to your business. 2. My name is Cathy McReynolds, and I'll be walking you through how to use AI and automation in a practical, repeatable way so your systems work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the AI Marketplace workshop.